to Gardener's Hub. In today's video, I will show you how to propagate mint from cuttings, and I will also discuss some problems you might face while propagating mint cuttings. So without further delay, let's get started. Mint is readily available in the market whole year around, but the time to propagate mint is very important. You can propagate them either in late spring or early summer, and according to my experience, you can grow them in monsoon too. We will talk about one of the two most popular ways of propagating mint, that is, propagating them in water. Here, we need to take at least 4 to 5 mint cuttings, as you can see here. And then you need to make a 45-degree angle cut just below the node, just like this. And this is the node. Here you can see the leaves are coming out from here. You need to remove all the lower leaves and leave the upper leaves. It's that easy, and I will prepare all the cuttings in the same manner now. Here, see again, I am removing all the lower leaves. Just except the upper 4, you have to remove each and every leaf. And here was the node, first node. So I'll just make a 45-degree angle cut. And you need to take fresh new water and add them. You have to make sure that the node touches is in the water. And then after that you can keep it in semi-shade areas, that is areas which receive partial shade and partial sun. And you have to change the water daily, and after 8 to 9 days you will see the result. That is, the roots will grow very nicely, and then you can either continue growing it in water or plant them in soil. Once you plant them in soil, keep in full shade for 3 days, and then gradually introduce your newly grown cuttings to sun. That is, for another next week, keep them in semi-shade, and then after that give them full sun for better growth and for avoiding any kind of sudden temperature change. Now let's talk about the problems you might face or mistakes you need to avoid with this method. First one, algae might form on the roots if you don't change and clean the container daily in which you are growing the mint cuttings. Second, after you transfer them from water to the soil, they will face a transplant shock, so in order to avoid it, you have to keep them in full shade for 3 days. Third, sometimes despite keeping them in full shade, you will see the upper portion of the mint cuttings drying up and dying. But in most of the cases, it's not a bad thing, because you will notice after 1 to 2 weeks that it has started new growth. Now I know you guys will ask why. It's because it was developing its roots this whole time. So don't be in haste of removing them like me and then realizing that they are not dead. Instead, they were producing a healthy root system. Fourth, don't fertilize them immediately after transplanting. Let them settle for a week and then start with a little bit compost and a little quantity of diluted tea leaf fertilizer, because your plant is small, so don't give it too much. You can increase it with time and your plant's growth. Fifth, you can surely fertilize it at the stage when the cuttings start developing tiny white roots, but make sure you add any diluted water-soluble phosphorus-rich fertilizer for quick and healthy development of roots, but it's totally optional. Even if you don't, they will take 3 to 4 days more, but it will be worth the wait. But make sure if you do add it, don't add too much, because in water, nutrients can be absorbed quickly than in soil. So add 1/4 of the recommended dose for small plants or seedlings every day when you clean the container and add fresh water. Now let me show you the result after 1 week. As you can see, the roots are very well developed. Now it is ready for transplantation in soil. And this is another one. And now this one was planted just 3 days back, so you can see a tiny white root. At this stage you can start fertilizing your cuttings. And this one here I have already transplanted it and kept it under full shade for 3 days, and you can see the upper part starting new growth, and this two leaves were in water, so they have been a bit brown, but end result is this. You can see new growth coming up, and this has some seedlings, they just popped out of nowhere. And I hope you guys learned something new, and if you enjoyed watching this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and make sure to like and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.